Hi friends, welcome back to your YouTube channel. French classes Learn French with Jay. Today we are going to explain verb être, verb avoir and verb aller. In the last class, class 2, I have already explained how to say les pronoms sujets, subjective pronouns in French. So today we are going to conjugate the verb être. So conjugaison en présent. Sujet, subjective pronouns, I already told you. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. You know the meaning also. Je means I, you, he, she, we, you, they, femina. Okay. So we'll conjugate the verb être. Être means to be. Okay. Whenever you are writing être verb, it means, if I ask you what is the conjugation of être verb, first of all, what is the meaning of être? To be. To be means whether is, am, are. Okay, it means you are telling profession. Suppose in English, if you have any sentence like he is a doctor, I'm a student, I'm a teacher, you are students. So you are telling the profession. So basically, telling profession will conjugate with être verb. Fine. So this is our first verb, être. Here, what is the conjugation of être verb? We have je suis, tu es, il est, elle est. Nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay. This one, vous êtes, will pronounce vous êtes, because as, whenever you are having as, middle of two vowels, as, next is coming vowel, and before also we have vowel a, e, I, o, u, h and y. So before as also we have u vowel, after as also we have e vowel. So we'll pronounce vous êtes. This as will be pronouncing with this word. So vous êtes. So again we'll repeat: je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. What is the meaning of je suis? It means I am. Tu es, you are, he is, she is, we are, you are, they are. We'll see the example. Je suis étudiant means I am a student. Étudiant is student. Je suis, you already know the conjugation with subject pronouns I. Je suis étudiant. Elle est gentille. She is kind. Nous sommes en Inde. We are in India. Whenever you are writing nous, you need to write sommes, because this is the conjugation of être verb. So you need to remember conjugation of être verb. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, these are the example we are having. It means you are telling the profession, okay, and state of mind. Okay, next verb we have, I think this verb is clear till now. After that we are having verb avoir. So same will write the subjective pronouns here: je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. But avoir verb means to have. To have means has or have. Whenever you are having something, I have a pen, you have a car, they are having their own house. So whatever you are having in your hand or whatever you are having, that we will conjugate with avoir verb, to have. How we will conjugate the verb avoir? We'll conjugate je, tu as, il a, elle a. Nous avons, vous avez, ils, elles ont. Here you can see I wrote J apostrophe Y. I'll tell you the rule here. In the verb avoir, we are having, if you conjugate the verb avoir with J, this will be Z. Whenever you are having two vowels together, the first vowel will replace with apostrophe and will write like this: J. It means I have. Okay. That's why I'm writing apostrophe here. So I already wrote J apostrophe AI. So this will be the single word Z. Okay, you can write very close like this. Z. It means I have, you have, he has, she has, we have, you have, they have, they have. Okay. Example we'll see. In French, in English you are saying I am 20 years old, but in French we have I have 20 years old. So how we will write? I have is J 20. Okay, 20 we call 20. So I'll write this example like this: J 20. Okay, 20 is English. We'll also see numbers in French next classes. Je 20. It means I am 20 years old. You can see here I am 20 years old. Je 20. Clear? Avoir verb. Now, if I ask you, do you have a car? I'll ask, tu as une voiture? Tu is you have, une voiture, a car. You have a car. Okay, do you have a car? So if you are using tu, what is the conjugation of with tu? Tu as. Ils ont des amis à Paris. He have friends in Paris. So he is having some friends in Paris. That's why they are saying they have. So all masculine here. Okay, il we are using for masculine and al for femina. Okay, I think this is clear till now. Avoir also. So we have learned êtres verb to be, is MR, avoir, has, have. After that we are having verb, third verb, the verb aller, to go. Aller is to go. When, okay, think example in English we have I go or I am going. In French, first of all both the tenses are same, present simple or present continuous. Both tenses are same. Means if you are saying I go, I am going, both are same. So aller verb conjugation will see conjugaison or présent. In present we are doing conjugation because we are saying I am going or I go, that is present. So subjective pronouns will write same, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. But what is the conjugation of aller? Conjugation of aller with je, we, tu vas, il va, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Okay, it means if I ask you what is the meaning of je vais, means I am going or I go. Tu vas, you are going. He is going, we are going, you are going, they are going. Okay, example we'll see. If I say I go or I am going to school, I will write je vais à l'école. I is the preposition here and l'école is school. Je vais à l'école. Nous allons au cinéma. We are going to the cinema. Nous allons. If you are using nous, you need to use allons because this is the conjugation with nous. If I ask you where are you going, où vas-tu? You can see here tu vas. Okay, you just interchange this part va first and tu with dash. So où vas-tu? If you are writing où is where. So where are you going? I think it's clear till now. Verb êtres, verb avoir, verb aller. Êtres to be is MR, avoir to has, to have, has have, and verb aller to go. I go, you go. These kind of things. Okay. We'll see the exercise. I think everything is clear till now. We'll see the exercise whether you understand or not. Exercise first. Complete avec êtres avoir aller. Here mix exercise is there. If I'm saying I, Konto is happy. I happy today. Which one will come? Je suis. Yeah. Here answer is je suis because this is êtres verb. Tu, une belle maison. You have a beautiful house. Do you have? It means avoir verb. So avoir we have tu a. Nous, we are in Hyderabad. Nous sommes. We are in Hyderabad. They are going to the market. Ils vont. Fifth, she has two sisters. So has with L what we have? A. L A. Vous, you are a professor. Are you a professor? So vous êtes. ETES. Vous êtes professor? Question mark. Understand? So first verb is être, second is avoir, être, aller, avoir, and sixth is êtres. So you can see in the context, if something is there like he is in Hyderabad, so we are in Hyderabad, we are, so êtres verb. Okay, you have a var verb. If you are going to market, aller, I am going. Okay, and see the subject pronouns like nous is there, then conjugate with respect of nous. That is the first exercise. Second, we have exercise 2. Traduis ces phrases en français. Translate these sentences in French. I am happy. I, you know, je am, je suis. Happy is content. Je suis content. Or we can also say je suis heureux or heureuse. This is for masculine, this is for feminine. Here you can see content is also happy and heureux is also happy. He has a cat. So cat we know we call un chat. He has, il a. We are friends. Nous sommes amis. Nous sommes amis. They are going to the park. They are going. Which verb? Être verb. With they, il. Être conjugation with il. Il vont au parc. Park will be park. Are you a teacher? Êtes-vous professeur? Question mark. Okay. With vous, we have conjugation être. I think clear everything. Yeah. So we have learned today verb être, verb avoir, and verb aller. Quickly we'll revise again. We have verb être, we have avoir, and we have aller. So simple rule is être for always, is, am, are, telling profession. Avoir is to have. It means has or have, both. Because he has, she has, also we have. Aller is to go. Three verbs, conjugation we have. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much everyone. This PDF I will give you in my Telegram channel, so you can check from there also. Merci beaucoup à tous. See you in the next class, class 4th. Merci beaucoup. Thank you.